Let's take up multiple choice questions based on general principles, processes of isolation of elements. The first question, which of the following is the best conductor of electricity? Silver, copper, gold, and brass. Correct answer is silver. Silver is the best conductor of electricity, but it's too expensive, that's why it cannot be used. Copper is second best, which is commonly used for transmission wires in the electric circuits. When copper is placed in atmosphere for sufficient time, a green crust is formed on its surface. The composition of green crust is copper hydroxide, copper oxide, copper carbonate, or basic copper carbonate. Correct answer is D part. When copper is placed in atmosphere, it forms first copper oxide. Copper oxide reacts with water to form copper hydroxide. And when it reacts with carbon dioxide, it forms basic copper carbonate, which is green in color. And D part is the correct answer. It is poisonous substance, that's why copper vessels are not used for cooking purposes or for keeping water, because it will form this poisonous greenish substance on its surface. The effect of mineral acid on coinage metals decreases from copper to gold, increases from copper to gold, remains the same, cannot be predicted. Correct answer is decreases from copper to gold. Reason is that copper is more reactive than silver and then gold. Coinage metals are copper, silver, gold. Copper is most reactive, gold is least reactive, and silver is intermediate. That is why the reaction decreases with copper to gold through silver. Malachite is an ore of magnesium, copper, aluminium, iron. Correct answer is copper. And malachite is CuCO3 into CuOH twice. For magnesium we have magnesite or carnallite. Magnesite is MgCO3 and carnallite is KCl into MgCl2 into 6H2. Or we have dolomite CaCO3 into MgCO3. For aluminium, bauxite is the major ore from which aluminium is extracted. For iron, hematite is the ore. So malachite is the ore of copper. It's a carbonate ore of copper. Copper is extracted from sulfide ore using the method carbon reduction, carbon monoxide reduction, auto reduction, none of the above. Correct answer is auto reduction. Why? Because cuprous sulfide acts as reducing agent which reduces cuprous oxide to form blister copper and sulfur dioxide. So this process is called Bessemerization or auto reduction. We don't use any external reducing agent. Rather, the cuprous sulfide formed itself acts as reducing agent, so it's called auto reduction. In the extraction of copper from copper pyrite, iron is removed as FeCO3, FeSiO3, Fe3O4, Fe2O3. Correct answer is FeSiO3, iron silicate. In copper pyrite, Fes is present, which is oxidized to form FeO, which reacts with silica, which acts as a flux to form iron silicate removed as slag. Froth flotation process is used for concentration of ores of iron, aluminium, chromium, copper. Correct answer is copper because copper exists as sulfide ore, which is purified by froth flotation process. The flux used in smelting of copper ores, limestone, magnesia, silica, coke. Correct answer is silica because FeO is the impurity which is basic in nature, so we need acidic flux, that is silica, to form iron silicate, which is removed as slag. In extraction of copper, metal is formed in the Bessemer converter due to the reaction A part, B part, C part, and D part. Correct answer is A part. It is auto reduction or Bessemerization, in which blister copper is formed plus sulfur dioxide is formed. Blister copper is a pure form of copper which has blisters or spots due to sulfur dioxide. So this is the correct answer, and this is the reaction taking place in Bessemer converter in the extraction of copper. So A part is the correct answer. High purity copper metal is obtained by carbon reduction, hydrogen reduction, electrolytic reduction, thermite reduction. Correct answer is electrolytic reduction. In electrolytic reduction, always we can get high purity copper metal. Thermite reduction is not applicable to copper. Even hydrogen reduction or carbon reduction is not required for high purity copper metal. Copper metal can be extracted, but high purity copper metal can only be obtained by electrolytic reduction. Silica is added to roasted copper ore during smelting in order to remove cuprous sulfide, ferrous oxide, ferrous sulfide, cuprous oxide. Correct answer is ferrous oxide, which is formed by oxidation of FeS, present in copper pyrite CuFeS2. Roasting of copper pyrite is done to remove moisture and volatile impurities, to oxidize free sulfur, to decompose pyrites into Cu2S and FeS, or all of the above. Correct answer is all of the above. Ore is CuFeS2, it is converted into Cu2S in FeS in the first step. The sulfur gets oxidized to sulfur dioxide, moisture and volatile impurities are automatically removed. In the electrolytic refining of copper, silver and gold are found on cathode, on anode, in the anodic mud, in the cathodic mud. Correct answer, in the anodic mud, whatever impurities are left in anodic mud contains silver and gold. Why they contain silver and gold? Because reactivity of copper, silver, gold is similar and they occur together. The alloy of copper and tin is called brass, bronze, German silver and type metal. Correct answer is bronze. Bronze contains copper and tin, brass contains copper and zinc, German silver contains copper, nickel and zinc, type metal contains lead metal, copper is slightly present in type metal, so B part is the correct answer. Brass is an alloy containing copper and zinc, copper and tin, zinc and tin, copper, zinc and tin. Correct answer is copper and zinc is present in brass metal. So A part is the correct answer. Copper and tin are metal present in bronze. Gunmetal is an alloy of copper and aluminium, copper, zinc and nickel, copper, tin and zinc, copper and tin. Correct answer is C part, copper and tin mainly, small amount of zinc is also present in it. An oxide of copper which is red in color has the formula CuO, Cu2O, CuO2, Cu2O2. Correct answer is cuprous oxide, which is brick red precipitate. It is formed when reducing substance like aldehydes or glucose reacts with failing solution, copper sulfate plus NaOH, and on heating it gives brick red precipitate due to cuprous oxide. So correct answer is B part. When the cupric salt is heated with metallic copper and conc HCl, a colorless solution is obtained because of the formation of cupric chloride, cuprous chloride, HCuCl2, HCuCl3. The answer is C part. Here, first thing is that cupric salt gets reduced to cuprous salt, and with HCl it forms a complex compound HCuCl2. Here, copper is in +1 oxidation state. So C part is the correct answer. Copper sulfate into 5H2O is called green vitriol, blue vitriol, white vitriol, or gypsum. Correct answer is blue vitriol. This is the name of CuSO4 into 5H2O. Green vitriol is FeSO4 into 7H2O. White vitriol is ZnSO4 into 10H2O. Gypsum is CaSO4 into 2H2O. So for this question, correct answer is blue vitriol. B part is the correct answer. In the reaction, 2 CuCl2 plus 2 water plus SO2 A plus H2SO4 plus 2 HCl. A is cuprous chloride, copper, copper sulfate and copper sulfide. Correct answer is cuprous chloride. Why cuprous chloride? Because sulfur dioxide is acting as reducing agent in aqueous solution. It will reduce cupric chloride to cuprous chloride, which is colorless. A part is the correct answer.